Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and welcome back to another part of the XJ650 build. Now first and foremost, I want to apologise for the lack of videos recently. I've not been very well and I needed a bit of downtime. It is the season of flu and all that stuff, but I'm doing all right now, I'm better, and I'm ready to get back to this build. I want to say thank you to all my Patreons, old and new. Thank you very much for the support. I'm going to make this worth your while we come to the closure of this build. So if you're interested in joining, link down below. So in today's video, we are working on the tank, getting all the last few little dents and stuff out. If you saw my Instagram, I did actually line the tank because there was one single pinhole, which we've managed to get sorted. I just wanted to get that done before we'd actually get to the good stuff, which is actually like getting the paint on the tank and getting all the dents out. Because, you know, overall this is a really nice tank, and in this powder coat primer that Project Powder Coating did, it is a perfect base for us to get started. You can see on this side there's still a few little dents, but I'm not worried about these. These were already here in the tank, and I'm not worried about getting the shape right. That'll be a nice little thing to do. Yeah, there's also the dents here as well, which I'll work on, but again, I'm not too worried. It's all good progress. So that's what we're going to be doing before we get too far in this video. We're going to be addressing those dents and ready for sorting out the paint. So before we get started, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight into the video. Right, so we're at a point, yeah. I know it doesn't look very pretty at the moment and I've gone through to bare metal, but we've got that sorted. We've got this dent sorted out as well. It just needs one final tiny skim and it can be primered. But overall, I'm liking how this is looking now. So now we're at this point where it's basically ready to be primered. Yeah, let's talk paint decisions. Now, this is why I wanted to make this video and get to this point. And basically, I just want to ask you guys, what do you reckon I should do with the paint scheme, the paint style? I have a color choice in mind and I don't mind sharing that with you now. But yeah, I would like you guys to have a bit of input in this and kind of let me know what you think would look good. And yeah, I reckon between us, we could make this really look cool. I do know it is an unusual shaped tank and it does have that little dip down and it goes along with the frame there. I do actually like that. I know cafe races are always straight cut, but I don't really think that's an issue. I do think this is going to look good and suit the bike regardless. But yeah, let's see what we can do with the paint. Let's see what we can do with like the lines, the shapes. Let me know what you think we could do. So you're probably wondering, what is the actual color scheme of this bike that I've got in my mind? It's going to be really simple and subtle, to be honest. You could probably tell with what we've got already. I want to go black, dark metallic grey with a pinstripe or a hint of gold. As you already see throughout the bike, there are hints of gold there. The forks, the exhaust, even the badges that are going on the tank are going to have a gold on them. And I just think it's going to be a really nice, elegant, classy, subtle look to the bike. I don't want to go too loud or too crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my email link down below, and I'm going to leave a freeze frame at the end of this video of the bike. And if you wish, you can do a Photoshop, play around with colors, do a little sketch. Just let me know what you think would look good. I have thought about going with the speed block style designs, the original XJ decals, but with the right colors. There's a few things I've thought about, but let me know what you think we can do with the tank and the seat hump combined, because I just want it to look timeless, elegant, But yeah, I'm really excited to see how this turns out in the next video, hopefully we'll be putting some of those suggestions to good use and getting this bike finished. So yeah, we are that close to getting this bike finished. And so yeah, even though it's a short video, it's only just me fillering the tank, but I'm more excited about getting you guys involved and working out what we do next with this bike. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I am super excited to see what you guys bring forward. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see more, and thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.